Oh, yeah, you see it. Fairlane 500. All my parts in there just sitting. Distributor. Get this thing back on the road. Get it back to me. Let's see if that'll work. I'll always come back to you. Oh yeah, on time to go get pick up the Fairlane today. Man, we had to switch it up. Too long, still ain't got no food. Let's have the bowl do us, cause I ain't never been let down. Don't do me now. Oh yeah, to go around. That's a couple sandwiches. We'll get back to y'all in a second with a review. So, there's no egg and cheese on there. You know what I'm saying? Didn't give us no condimentums. I'm disappointed. It's good, but I'm disappointed. Because I wanted what I wanted. $20 for just 2 of these and 6 go-rounds. You gotta be kidding me. And I should drink. Come with your minds and laced up. You gotta have a better lunch than this, baby. We starting off wrong. I tell you what, Guinevere. Huh? Hey, bye. Hey, bye. Let me see you do the dance. Let me see you do the dance. We had to stop out and get us some water, some juices, some snacks, power up. We got lost for a second, but we're still on track. Oh, pulling back up on course. We all gonna experience this look at the same time. Got one little flat. All the pieces is in the car. But we gotta get the engine out of there. Then we'll push it up, load them up. Get my little cherry bombs out of here. I hope this works. If not, we still gotta come back. Let's try this. He said it should be open, but this is the only thing I see. And I don't want to say like I'm breaking into nobody's stuff. But I guess if I twist it, it makes it open like that.
The dog said right out here.
Right here, he said it. Sitting right here by the door. And the winch that he used right there to pull his cars up with.
Okay.
Ain't gonna do nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna get the truck, back the truck up right here. Take this off, you know.
Let me try to slide this up the ramp.
Huh? Hell no.
Oh.
Just take the whole thing off, you know. The whole thing slide out. Then you've been painting in there. Overspray.
All right, y'all. We're getting ready to put this onto here.
Nah.
Batman and Superman together, Incredible Hook.
I'm gonna cover this thing first, right?
Rasta Hook.
Let me put this up there, ready?
Magic trick. Woo! Magic powers do work. Told you he was a wizard.
Didn't have to use none of my gizzard.
Huh. All right, y'all. So this is the dilemma. We got 3 tires. 3 of them, okay? This one right here, he was pumping and pumping and pumping. And good God Almighty, it did not come up. So, he gonna pump that one.
springs are nice and tight, but
we got a spare tire, thank God.
no, we don't. Yeah, that thing's way up.
Jeez Louise. She's talking to y'all.
Will we? Oh, right there. Tighten the tire up some more. And then if we let it down, we don't want it to go too flat, so I want to watch that too. Just because I got to pump him up.
We have liftoff.
Yeah. Oh, sir. Nah, that car's heavy.
If it's thickness, blocks.
Look how it just smashed, crushed all these blocks under here. Look how they just turned to pieces.
Hard working man right there.
A little bit. I tend to do a little something every now and then. Yeah.
So you guys, Poppy and his strong arm. We got this on here. My strong legs holding that brake. We definitely got this mug on here. Because this is not a light car.
No mess ain't on.
Whatsoever. So we're going to clean up. And we're going to be out of here, y'all.
Yes, sir.
We got the motor on the back. We got to put the hood on the back. And Fairlane's finally coming home after a year. What, a year and almost 5 months?
Yeah, 6 months too long.
It's almost
Everybody
2
be lying.
years.
They be like, yeah, I had my car sitting down for 2 years, man.
Yeah, it's like a year and like 5 months. Be on the road, y'all. Please, sir, get out the road. Is she?
Yeah, we got like.
Oh, look at the little camper over there.
We are the Cadillac.
Yeah, look at that, y'all. Woo!
Got the Elvis pink camper. It's like a Camaro, GTO, Pontiacs.
Trucks.
Look at the guy just following behind the car. The hood's on one. The red on my side.
Watch out, sir. Hey, move. He don't care. He gonna give his ass hit.
Look at steps.
Nice.
Got a crank in the front, the forward.
Yeah.
We do what's in that crank.
Yeah. These are nice.
Hope we get this thing out of here in the morning, early morning. But if so, we'll get it going. Official 1968 Ford Fairlane 500, 302, 5.0 Boss. upgraded 4-barrel cam. Drop the engine tomorrow. Start working on the engine. Start getting that rebuilt. That's first thing. Got all the brand new parts for that. And then we're gonna be up and rolling, baby. Oh, back out here earlier this morning. It's time to go get it right. And what we doing? Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
Time to wake up. We got things to do. Right out here. On our way almost to deliver. Finally arrived.
How we doing?
Hello.
All right.
All right. You any good at backing? Pull up a little bit farther, and then we can push it down the hill.
Okay, right here. Well, I had to wash my hands, but it don't matter.
No worries, no worries.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Something that I was unfamiliar with, knowing that it's such a tedious thing. New radiator, everything pretty much new in it.
Good.
Your transmission good. All the original miles.
You left the drive shaft in there.
Huh?
Drive shaft still in there.
Getting ready to unload at the shop. Hopefully put some zigzags down ourselves. Perfect. Say it again.
How do I look?
Cute.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Young lady, what you doing with that much horsepower in your hand?
A whole lot of nothing.
We're about to get this thing right. You can see it Fisher 302 on the block. Oh yeah, let's get it.
This is a problem. We may end up having to get a different one because that's where the seal rides. That cover that goes on the front, there's a seal inside it.
Nice ride. I like this.
So,
Like the Indian?
that's a 75 Harley Spectre.
Oh.
So there is the car I was talking about, 85,000.
Look at this.
Wow.
There's a brand new LS motor in it. That's all my framework on it. I
Nice.
had a bare hull of a car. Doors weren't on
You
it.
see that?
Yeah.
There was no firewall. There was no floor pans. There was nothing. I built the whole thing.
There was no firewall.
It was gone. The whole body was just a shell, just the outer sides. That's all.
This
was
is
there.
door size panel.
That was it.
And this is a newer LS swap there.
That's brand new LS motor.
What is it gonna be, a drag car?
Nope. Driver.
Wow.
What is it usually called? What's it? Not funny car. Oh, that's Stutz.
This one?
Yeah.
That's my 35 Chevrolet. That's what I'm building for me. And
Already.
I did the paint job.
What?
I paint. I do metal work, engine work, paint, everything. That's my. There's no Bondo in that car to speak of. There's
Yeah,
1
that's
gallon
right.
of Bondo in that whole car, and it's all sanded off mostly.
That's what I like.
Nice.
Do it all.
When it's not dirty, that's what it looks like.
Oh.
That's
Mm.
so,
It look almost like an orange gloss.
yeah, it is. That's what I'm painting it there. So there I'm doing the edges, and then I'm painting.
Mm.
It's wet.
So that's the back end of this car. Let me see if I can see a picture, a good picture of the back end. The back end of the car, the other shop cut
You
the
know,
whole.
you just make like family members, right? You know that, right?